Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to delete a scheduled tweet on Twitter. Friends, due to some reason if you want to delete a scheduled tweet on your X app, then you simply need to click on this schedule icon. Now again click on schedule icon. Now here click on scheduled posts. So to delete a scheduled tweet, you need to click on the tweet which you want to delete. Now after opening the tweet, click on the date. Now here click on clear. Now click on this cross icon to close this tweet, and here you need to click on discard to delete this tweet. Now friends, as you can see, now in scheduled section there is no scheduled tweet. So friends, like this you can very easily schedule a tweet on Twitter. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.